Bro, I'm telling you, this tan line goes crazy. I've been using this Noom app. I don't know if y'all heard of it. Noom, healthy lifestyle. You know, track your mood. Just find new habits, healthier habits for yourself. Something that I've been enjoying a lot recently. And you can see I have a problem. These are
What's up, brother?
These are all keyboards, and so are all the. So I have a lot of content to catch up on. So I think I have this little 35 batch of switches left, and then a couple more. These are vintage MX Blacks, harvested from keyboards in 1993, I think, or 1993. And so what I'm doing is lube filming and spring swapping. So one of the boards that I've been typing on the most recent, as of recently. What are y'all's daily drivers at the moment? Because I've been rocking the Tomo recently, and before the Tomo, actually the HHKB. I've been using that. I've been loving that, like Topra. And I know a lot of people don't, but to me, it has such like a unique feel. The sound I understand is not, you know, what most people might not like, especially coming into the keyboard hobby that are new. But I don't know. I've grown to love the Topra sound, but more so the feel. We're done with this batch. This is what we've been working on. So this is a vintage 1993, I believe, or 1995. This is for one of my friends. I forgot which he sent me, but these are either 1993 or 1995 Vint Blacks, vintage MX Blacks. Broken in. Oh no, not broken in. I'm sorry. Just lubed with 205 G0 on the stems, 105 G0 on the springs, filmed with 0.15 white TX films, and spring swap to 60 gram TX long springs. I like XL, but I think he wanted long spring. Alright, let's count. Let's count together. Apparently I don't know how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 50. Alright, we're almost there. We're almost there, guys. 50, right? 50? Yes. 51, 70. I love it. 70? Yes. 4, 106. We modded some vintage MX Blacks from 1993. I'm gonna just stick with 1993 because I think that's what it is. 110 MX Blacks. I finished off like the last 40. Lube filmed and spring swapped. We are going to fix this PCB. Basically, whenever some of these keys register, other keys will register as well. So we're gonna try to fix that today too. Some context. So this is a board from a fellow creator. Her name is Manguini. A really close friend of mine. Please go ahead and follow her on socials. This caused so many difficulties for her is because you see these stabs? There's no washer. It's gonna mess everything up because it's metal on metal. When the stabs don't have washers, it messes up the whole circuit, like the circuitry, pretty much. Unlike the main. Let me see if I can just grab some washers. All right, so we're just gonna thread the washer through the screw, just so that there's some distance between the screw and the PCB. And you just screw it back in. And now there's a gap while the stabilizer remains secure. Strip screw is going to be the death of me. Have y'all ever seen a screw this stripped before? That is wild. And it's not Minguini's. It's the person she bought it from. And overpriced for her, I might add. So I appreciate you guys a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya. Sounds. See if we can pick it up. I hope the mic can pick this up, but yeah.